Hi everyone, so I haven't made a video for over a week or something like that, but I've been a bit busy, so I joined Slimming World again because I have put a bit of weight on. Anyway, but what I want to share with you now is a shopping haul from Poundland, and I bought a couple of things in Iceland which are Slimming World friendly, and I think they are on the top, so I'm going to show you them first. And also I am going to post a video of my husband feeding the seagulls straight after this, so it's going to be a bit it's not going to be reborn related really, except I think I did buy two little things for the reborns, but the rest is non-related, so just so you know. But I love watching what people buy, don't you? So I'm gonna film that now. Right, so first thing I bought was a Slimming World chicken tikka masala, and this is in Iceland, and it is free on the plan, which means if you don't do Slimming World, it means that you can eat all of this and you don't have to count the calories, points or sins. Let me just pull it out and show you. So that's what it looks like inside. It's a really nice proper portion, and you can boil up some rice to go with it. Fantastic. I'm having that tonight. And then I got some Slimming World 6 sin-free pork sausages, and they are free food on Slimming World plan as well. And I got the Slimming World beef quarter pounders, and they are free as well. It just means there's no hidden fats and sugars and stuff like that. And I got the chip shop curry sauce, and that's free as well. That colour, look at that, amazing. So I bought those, and because I bought more than 3 of these items that are meat or meals, and you get a free pack of 6 yogurts, and I believe they're going to taste like donuts, and these should be a sin a pot, but I'm not sure yet. I'll have to check on the app. So there could be 1 sin each or more, I'm not sure. So check on your app if you are not sure about those. And I've been looking everywhere for these Weight Watchers apps. I know these are right. I'm supposed to get whole meal for healthy bee, but you know, I break the rules sometimes. But yeah, one of these would do as a healthy extra on the plan. So that's if you're doing Slimming World, guys. And then on to Poundland stuff. So I got 3 of these bottles, and they've got a spout on them, and they're really good for taking up to bed or going out, drinking lots of water. So I bought 3 of these because there's a lot of us and we share and use these at bedtime or whatever. So I got those. I got some makeup removing wipes. I got some nail varnish remover. I got some Haribo sweets for the boys. I got a pack of Freddos for me because on the Slimming World plan they're not too expensive in sins. I think there's 5 sins each. And I got these animal bars, and they're 100 calories each, so I'm guessing they're 5 sins, but do check. Don't just believe what I say. Check on your app. And these are some reading glasses. They had a nice red pair that I liked better, but they didn't have them. It's not focusing very well, is it? It says 1.25 in the lens strength, but the colour I wanted wasn't in this strength because it's pretty mild, that strength is. So I got them. They're only £1. What else I got? So I got some toothbrushes for the boys. They were £1. I think this was £2. The sensitive toothpaste. That's in Poundland, but I think it was £2. I got the boys some multivitamins because they like the chewy ones. I got some nail brushes. I got those brilliant little things that you clip your food so they stay nice and fresh. These are really handy. And we use them all up. They end up in the freezer and never to be seen again, and so you have to buy more. Sometimes they break as well. I got some AAA batteries. I got some lady razors. I like Gillette. I think they're really good. I got the Johnson's cotton buds for £1. My husband bought this. That's to charge his phone. And yeah, I think it's got 2 ends there. I think he said that was £2. I got some pink hair bows because they just look so cute. And some hair bands. They were £1 each. And curly whirlies, because they're good on Slimming World when you're having your treats. These are 6 ins each, and they're £1 for 4. Yeah, and that's it, guys. That is my haul today. I hope you enjoyed it. Oops, hang on, I forgot something. I forgot I put some stuff in my handbag. So I got this cute little teddy for Joseph. He was £1. I got this cute little monkey lovey. That was £2. I got some Toblerones for my son who loves white chocolate, and these are gluten-free for him. And I got those for, I think they were £1. And I got some gum, and it is the bubble mint one, which I love. Yeah, that is all, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you soon. Bye. Have a good day. Bye.